Good morning, guys. Today we are going to go ahead and start talking about understanding inverse sine, cosine, and tangent functions. We're going to go ahead and look at evaluating the following expressions. Awesome. Let's get started.
So we're going to look at arc sine of 1, and arc sine of 1 is really sine inverse. So you're going to have theta equal to sine inverse of 1. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sine of each side. So I'll have sine theta is equal to sine of sine inverse of 1, which when you take sine of sine inverse, that cancels out. I got sine of theta is equal to 1. Now, a couple things here. I'm going to look for the angle that the angle that I would have to have for sine to get a value of 1. But I need to make sure that I'm within the range of sine inverse. Well, the range of sine inverse goes from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So when I find this value for theta, it needs to be within this range. If I look at the unit circle, and I can kind of draw this here for real quick. At this spot here, we have 1, 0, and cosine is always the x value, sine is always the y value. At the 90-degree spot, we actually have 0, 1, where sine is 1 and cosine is 0. So our answer to this problem is going to be pi over 2. And pi over 2 is within this range for sine inverse, so we would say that theta is equal to pi over 2. So when we have this whole piece at the top, theta equals sine inverse of 1, that would equal pi over 2.